Hi friend, this is Vivin and today we are with the Infinix Hot 8. I guess you have seen already the buzz on internet or on Flipkart. The device comes, what are the specification, what are the color? This is a cyan color, Quetzal cyan color. This is the name of the color what the device is coming with. It has a 5000 milliampere battery, 6.52 SD plus display, triple rear camera, direct sound mode. There is also face unlock. Android 9 Pie is present. The box pricing given is 8,999, but it is listed on Flipkart for 6,999, which is 7,000. This is a killer price, and this is maybe the cheapest smartphone coming with the triple rear camera. We will talk about that later on. First, I will take out the wrapper and will show you what are the box content. Coming to the color, it comes with the four color, which will be the Quetzal cyan, which is cyan color. There is a cosmic purple, which will be the purple color. There is a shark gray and there is a midnight black. So there will be the four colors coming for the device. The device is coming with a 4GB and 64GB. So it has 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage, and it can be expandable up to 256GB. Now the device comes with a drop notch. Talk about this later. It also has the face unlock present. Here you can see the highlights. What I have told you is also written in the front. We will take out the back cover, and at the back it is written the volume rocker keys. It has a 3 slot. We will talk about that detail. Here you can see it has a gorgeous greenish and bluish kind of color. It is a gradient color, and in the front this is the display. The device feels definitely light. It is coming with 5000 milliampere battery, but it doesn't feel like that. Let me boot the device. For a meanwhile, we will see also the other box content present. Here you are getting a micro USB charging cable, so there is no type C, and you can't expect that in a 7000 budget smartphone. Coming to the charger, here you can see the charger rating. It comes with the 10-watt charger rating. I will just try to focus it. Here you guys can see that it comes with the 10-watt charger rating, and there is also some papers including the X Club. There is also SIM card ejector tool. Here you can see that this is something I guess you guys have known. I will tell you what are the SIM slots present in the device. There is also some more paperwork, Google files present. There is a safety guide and the information toolkit. So this is something present in the device. We will talk about this later on. Coming to the back panel, it comes with a designer back. So this is also a silicone back case, but it is coming with a little bit design what we have seen in the earlier smartphone of Infinix. Here we are also getting a screen guard, so you can install that. Now coming to the LED notification, you can see that it is on the top of the device, which is a good thing. Some of the smartphone companies missing the LED notification. It comes with the 6.52 SD plus display. On the side you are getting a volume and the power button. At the back, if you go, there are triple rear camera setup with LED flash. There is also fingerprint sensor. Infinix written at the back. In the bottom it is Hot 8. This is the power and the volume button. On the top there is nothing. Coming to the other side, here we are getting the slot, which is basically the SIM card slot, and I'm just taking on here. You can see it comes with the dual nano SIM card slot with the 4GB ULT support. There is an expandable memory which can be expanded up to 256GB. Coming to the bottom, you are getting a speaker grills and micro USB charging port. There is also 3.5mm port with noise cancellation mic present in the bottom. The device comes with the camera 8 megapixel in the front. It has a drop notch. The display looks quite vivid. It is a LCD IPS display. It comes with a drop notch with a resolution of 720 into 1600. Here you can check out the processor. It is coming with the octa-core MediaTek Helio P22. Coming to the RAM, it is a 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage. It is running on Android 9.0 Pie with XOS 5.0 coming out of the box. I'm sure the company will give you the update. It has a 10-watt charger, so this is not a extremely fast charger what we are seeing in the market, but definitely this will be a fast charging device. In XOS, we are also getting some features like the digital well-being. There is a shortcut smart panel. How the smart panel works, you can put some shortcut tools there. You can also put some apps. This can be handy while using or while playing the game. I will tell you later. Here is the smart panel. You can reposition the smart panel also. So in the bottom here you can see it will let you know there is a dragger. You just drag it to top, bottom, left or right side, whichever side is convenient for you. There is a specific game mode coming in the device. It has some advanced setting with the automatic brightness adjustment and the call logs and the game management for a particular game. So this is what we are getting in the game mode. There is a battery lab. It comes with the AI smart powering. Remind you that the device also has the AI camera, which we will talk about in a second of you. The device also has some gesture features. Here you can see double tap, flip to mute. So these are the features. I am not going into it deep. There is a security location now. In the device you are getting a fingerprint scanner at the back. There is a face unlock also. So for the fingerprint you have to go through the passport first, and then you have to place the finger. Putting the multiple times, the fingerprint gets enrolled. You can register 4 or 5 fingerprints. I haven't tried that, but the fingerprint is definitely fast. We will try and test that also. So here you can see I will give you a complete fingerprint and face unlock test later on. The fingerprint is not only for the unlocking of the screen, but it can take photo, it can accept call, it can do the call recording, and also it can dismiss the alarm. So there are multiple features which the device can offer. It is due to the XOS 5.0, the UI coming on Infinix Hot 8. Now we will go and show you how to do the face unlocking, how to register it, enroll it. So here you can see the enroll page. Just tap on it. It will tell you some things. Just go try to have a proper light while recording a face. Here you can see a little bit darkness is there, but still it recognizes my face very easily. It takes less than a minute, and once it is done, it works very smoothly. So here you can see the recognition has been done. After the registration there, it will ask that skip the lock screen, or you want to be on the lock screen after the face unlock works. So I will ask you to have the skip the lock screen, so that will be the easiest part. There are few more features which we will talk about detail in the later on. This is what we are getting in the software features. Basically we have covered everything. Now going to the camera, which is the highlight of the smartphone. It comes with the triple layer camera setup. Now I will go through the triple layer camera setup. The primary camera is 13 megapixel with f1.8. There is a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a low light sensor at the back. In the front you are getting a 8 megapixel camera, which is coming with the 81-degree wide angle selfie. And the rear camera can shoot full HD video, HD video and 480p video. Similarly, the front camera can also shoot full HD video, HD video and 480p video. Coming to the camera, you are getting few modes like AI cam, beauty cam, portrait mode, AR shot, and there is also Google Lens present in the front and the back. Here you can see the wide angle selfie. The wide angle selfie is just to rotate in the left and the right. We have seen some of the smartphone coming with the name of Groupie or something like that, but that is the similar thing. It has the AI cam, and the AI camera is for both the front and the back at the same time. So let me remind you, in the front you are getting a 8 megapixel camera, which is also an AI camera. There is a portrait mode, and going to the back rear camera, here you are getting a low light sensor, which we don't know specific what is the megapixel of the sensor. The depth sensor is a 2 megapixel sensor with the aperture f1.0 variable up to f16. So this is what you are getting. You are getting some AR stickers also to put. There is a panorama, there is a AR shot. AR stickers is basically the AR shot. There is a bokeh mode. There is also Google Lens, which is integrated in the smartphone. You can use the Google Translate, scan any shop, any item. There is a beauty mode. There is a AI camera, which is a default camera. So you can change the aspect ratio of the camera. You can have some filters also. So these are the filters. You can see there are a bunch of filters. You can play it around. We haven't tried and tested the low light scenarios yet, but we will try and test that, and you will find the results in our review, which is coming very soon. We have done also a gaming review of the device. We will post that. If you can check that, please do that. Now I will show you how fast the face unlock is working, and at the same time the fingerprint sensor also. So here you can see the fingerprint sensor I am trying around, and it is definitely fast. Coming to the audio, it comes with the direct surround audio, surround sound. The price under 7,000 is definitely a terrific audio what the device is outputting. So this is all about the Infinix Hot 8. We've been signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.